What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Mo. This is my channel, Mo Nation. So today we're going to be doing another review. So this review, we're kind of just going to do everything all in one: the drive, the walkthrough, all that good stuff. So today we're going to be reviewing a 2018 turbocharged Jeep Wrangler. So let's go ahead and get this party started, I guess you would say. Alright, y'all, so this is the 2018 Jeep Wrangler that we're going to be doing. It's the sports edition, I guess you would call it. So this, I'm going to say this is the weirdest spec Jeep that I have seen, and this is the second one that I did a review on, and I decided to do one on this one because it's different and it's turbocharged. So first, let's go ahead, let me flip this camera for y'all. The first thing that I love about this Jeep, y'all, is the fact that this color you can't go wrong with this color. This color is nice as hell, and I love the wheels. It's like a light bronze. So one thing that I do love about the Jeep, y'all, is that there's so many options of customizing it, like lights, tail lights, everything. You could take the doors off, you could take the roof off. It's now, I did hear that the Jeeps are not a car that you would want to take on long trips and stuff like that, that they're not comfortable like that. Now this is a newer one, and I really don't know, you know, is it different? And I like the fact that this one is lifted, so it does have a, if I'm not mistaken, a rough country lift on it, or y'all can see the shock. So that's one thing that I do like about it, the wheels and the paint job. And overall, the only thing I feel like it's really missing on the outside of it is the back wheel, the fifth wheel. That's the only thing that is missing, but I'm pretty sure you could talk to these guys and they can get that sorted out for you. This Jeep also has like a back camera too, which is, I'm pretty sure that's becoming normal now, but I mean, that's the first time I'm seeing it. I mean, the paint is in great condition. Like, if y'all can see this, I don't see no little swirls, I don't even see no scratches in the paint, so that's a good sign. Of course, you got, you know, the bumper, that's really nice. You got LEDs down here in the front bumper, and I think you also have LEDs in the back bumper also, if I'm not mistaken. So you got LEDs in the back bumper, also at the bottom right here. This Jeep is actually pretty nice, honestly. So you got plenty of space in the back to do whatever you got to do. Back here, the only thing I would say is that if I was to get this Jeep, I would say I would make it a little bit, I like it when people make the Jeeps more aggressive looking, but this one has a lot of potential because it already has the bumper and the back bumper. All you would have to do is change like the grill or the headlights or anything. And from my understanding, parts for the Jeep is actually pretty cheap, to be honest with you. So the main thing that's that the reason why I wanted to review this Jeep is because it's turbocharged. So let's go ahead and pop the hood. Alright, y'all, so I completely be forgetting that the Jeeps don't have a latch, that you got to do it manually. So what you're looking at right now is a 2.0 liter that makes 270 horsepower and 295 foot-pounds of torque, which honestly to me is pretty impressive from this little motor right here. The reason why, y'all, I said that this was a weird spec Jeep for some reason is because here's the key right here, and there's no lock, so there's no electronic lock, and there's no electronic windows. So in order to unlock this Jeep and lock it, you have to do it manually, Like right now it's locked, so I have to put the key in there, you know, turn it and then open it. So to me that's a little weird for 18, but I mean it's different. It's a different spec. I don't know why they spec'd it this way, but also when you get up in here, y'all see the roll up. I have not seen these in years. I haven't seen this in years where you had to roll it up yourself. So obviously you get in and you even get like a little screen up in here, which is pretty cool. You got the dash, that's pretty cool. Let me turn it off. So the dash is actually pretty nice. It's plastic and stuff. So I mean, I wouldn't expect anything different in a Jeep, especially like one like this. It looked like they didn't want too many options. And of course, y'all, it's 4-wheel drive. One thing I don't like is that it doesn't have the thing for you to put your foot on to get in. So if you short, you got to hop up in there. Me, I'm tall, so it's easy for me to get in. But I mean, that's easily you can add that to it. A running board, you can easily add that to it. All right, y'all. So the one weird thing about this Jeep that I was not expecting was it to be a push to start because of the key that I had. I was like, man, I was not expecting, but it is a 2018. I think, like, let me get in. Oh, and it's a little hard to get in, y'all. So like me sitting in the back with the seat all the way, say somebody else was 6 foot tall, I would have to sit kind of like this with my legs open, which would, if we had 3 people back here, that would be kind of uncomfortable. I feel like the Jeep you could fit 5 people in it, but I feel like only 4 people should be in it. And with 4 people, you would be very comfortable. So the only thing is like I told you, it doesn't have electronic door locks or anything, so you have to go to each individual door and lock it yourself. And I was trying to play around with the key, see if it unlocks it whenever you turn it. You hold it long enough, it'll unlock all of them, and it doesn't. So alright, y'all, so everything is gonna be all in one video. So let me go ahead and put this hood down right here, and then I'm gonna show y'all what it sounds when you start it up, and then I'm gonna set up all my stuff up, and we can go and drive it and see what it drives like. Alright, y'all, so we gonna go ahead and get this drive going. So I forget, gotta roll the window up, and let's go ahead and go. I think I got all my equipment. Alright, y'all, so if you're interested in this car, remember this Jeep is at Chuck Nash in Seguin. So make sure you call up here. It got the auto start. Man, I hate auto start. Not the auto start, your auto start on and off, and I hate that. If you call up here, make sure you let them know that Mo sent you. So right off the bat, I can tell y'all that these wheels are gonna be pretty loud. Get up there. So even with the big wheels, like I had to go close to whatever you call it, the lift gate. So even with the big wheels, like turning radius wise, like it's not bad. I think I'm gonna stop somewhere and turn to see if it rubs or not. But it doesn't feel like it's gonna rub or anything. And the only complaint I have is, which is because of the big tires, is that the tires are kind of loud. But honestly, this rides better than the last Jeep I did a review on. That Jeep was kind of a little bit all over. It wasn't all over the road, but it rode all right. This one is about 6 times better than that one. So we're gonna see what the forgot the shift. All right, so we're gonna see what the turbo do. I mean, being that it has a turbo, see what it. Alright, so it's not the quickest, I can tell you that now. It's not the quickest. But I don't feel like it's not the slowest, but it's not the quickest. But I mean, it is a big Jeep. So alright, so we're gonna go ahead and test like the turning radius. So I'm gonna turn it like all the way, so no rub at all, smooth. That's impressive. The last one that I did, it kind of rubbed a little bit. This one with these big 37s on it, it's no rub at all. So it has the turning radius is pretty good too, to say that it's lifted and it got these big tires on it. So let's go ahead and see what this little turbo engine can do. Okay, that felt a lot better. So from like a stop, I guess you could say, it got some get up, but I mean, if you just driving normally, I mean, it's all right. It's not the fastest, but don't get me wrong, this is a nice Jeep. So if you in the market to buy a Jeep, make sure y'all hit my people up at Chuck Nash and give them a call, or hit me up. I can get some information for you. So, and if you buy, let me know. I'll come by there, swing by there, and, you know, chop it up with you. So make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, hit that like, comment down below. Let me know what y'all think. Would you buy yourself a Jeep? Would you buy your wife, fiance a Jeep? Let me know what y'all think. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.